Welcome to Blue Collar Ballistics. I'm Josh. Today we're getting rid of a toilet. So we've got a little Tannerite that we put in there. We put a pound in this toilet, and we got a microwave that we're going to get rid of as well. And just thought you guys might like to check it out. Well, hopefully we got a hit right spot. You guys ready?
Yep.
Too high.
Here, I can shut that.
I don't know if I want to be standing up when I do this though. This ain't any fun. All right, that was that bad Tannerite.
Yeah.
Let me go ahead and throw a package of this in there.
Still gotta blow it up though.
Tannerite we had, it was all caked in there really hard. Must have got some moisture in there or something. Doesn't seem to be working, so we got some fresh stuff we're gonna try out. Doggone it.
Well, they knocked it over.
What?
Knocked something over.
Ready?
Yep.
What did I hit?
I don't know, but something.
It's like top left. Oh, yeah. Holy heck, I went all the way over here. Yay!
I was watching that piece coming. I'm like, stop this, stop. Well, it wasn't the outcome we wanted. Took me maybe 30, 60 rounds more than planned, but no, that's one. The first one, the mix in there was bad and it wouldn't go off, and so this last one I hung it in the microwave and it worked out great. Hopefully we're gonna mess around with some more of that. Until next time, stay safe and God bless.